And now, his view, an editorial opinion by Bill Martin.
Asteroid 2024, YR4, is no longer considered a threat to collide with our Earth. Whew! What a relief. We can scratch that one off our worry list. And some of you might be asking, what is Asteroid 2024 YR4? Well, simply put, it's an asteroid that space scientists have been following for quite some time, one that they felt might crash into Earth with unknowable consequences. We have learned to live with space debris crashing and crash landing on us. It's a topic of our own doing. After all, we put all those satellites into orbit, and we left a trail of our space garbage all over the skies. You know the old saying, what goes up must come down. But this asteroid and many more potential interstellar threats are not of our making. These are objects flying through space at incredible speeds, thrown on indiscriminate courses from solar systems, even galaxies far, far away. These are, you might say, asteroids going where no asteroid has gone before. But you would be wrong. Collisions with Earth have happened before. In fact, if you add our space garbage to the mix, collisions with Earth are happening all the time. Most incoming objects burn up as they enter our Earth's atmosphere, and many others fall to Earth as mere fragments of their former selves. But it is the big ones, the giant asteroids or meteors or whatever you call these foreign chunks of other worlds, these are the things that we may want to keep watching. And scientists now tell us there is a 3% chance of a major collision with Earth. That's new. Qualified information, or as those same scientists would say, that is what the data tells us. While there has always been such a chance, and there has always been recorded collisions, having quantifiable information is new. We never knew before that there was a 3% chance. We perhaps mused about the chances, but now we know we have an actual number. Now we have identified the X in the equation, and no doubt somebody somewhere is going to try and tell us the when and the where as they complete that equation. In the meantime, there is nothing we can do but worry. And isn't it odd that we didn't worry before? But now we know that there's a threat is real and it's measured by 3% certainty. Now we'll add interstellar collision to our long list of worries. And don't we have enough to worry about already? Given the state of our socio-political world, is there not enough to consume our waking hours? Given our rape and pillage of the very earth that sustains us and is now prepared to bite us in the posterior, haven't we enough life-threatening stuff to deal with already? If we now have a figure, that 3% threat, didn't we always have that threat? Just because we've put a number on it, does that really change anything? No, it doesn't. If we're going to come face to face with a giant meteor, what are we supposed to do about it? In truth, there's likely little or nothing that we can do about it. We can, however, do something about climate change. We can, however, do something about our space garbage. We can, however, do something about man's inhumanity to man. We can do something about our overwhelming greed and our lust for power. We can, but will we? Most of our worries are from issues beyond our control, so why waste time worrying if there's nothing we can do about it? Collisions with Earth represent 3%. That leaves 97% that are under our purview. Stop worrying about the 3% and start working on the 97%. The part that we can, if we have the will, we can control. At least, that's my view. I'm Bill Martin.